Sorry, I had a little focusing issues at the beginning. This is the green level. These are the elevators at the Ladle garage in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Sporting goods, men's clothing, going down.
Just your basic parking elevators. Sorry for the late start, but my camera's having focusing issues. HD Vandal resistant, hands-free ADA code compliant phone control panel, installed in 2003. These are 338s. It's probably a former low-pitched. Takes forever to level. Set this one up. Just send that one up. Good, this one's running. There's a newer garage out there. I can check out that one after this one. This is a open hearth garage. Tabs 4. Oh, you can see up the shaft. 2003. Here we go. Ooh, wow. Loud motor. I have a bit of a focusing issue at the beginning. It's the reason for the late beginning. There's the roof. It's pitch black, so we're not going to get any views. Scat cab view. Same as the other one. Installed in 2003. Car number 2. Pay on level 1 before leaving. God love that. I think this one's closest to the machine room. We're gonna watch the doors closing. There goes and that's it.